How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can add supports in the Lychee Slicer. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, after opening up the application, you are inside the layout section. To add yourself a support, you want to click on the prepare option, and on the side of our screen, it will then be changed into the override supports visibility. And of course, you could just click on the support itself. Now in here, you have multiple ways to simply add your supports. Now in my case, I'm going to add it with some manual supports. And then from here, you could basically select something like automatic, manual, or island. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you could simply just navigate through options. But in my case, to make things easier, I'm just going to select the automatic supports. Let's do something like 10 millimeters. And for the overhang, I'm just going to leave it at this one. And basically, you could just slice your layout right here and you should be good to go. Once again, you want to make sure that you are inside the prepare option. Click on supports, and then we have the support options in here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.